Hello, it's Tim here with another mental model to elevate your communication. Today we're talking about the 3Ds, and this is about meeting design or workshop design, event design. The 3Ds are going to get you to something very special where people come together and they feel like, wow, I was part of something that just could not be replicated any other way. You had to be there. You want one of those moments, right? So you use the 3Ds, and you use the 3Ds to structure the sequence of your meeting. Here's how it works. The 3Ds stand for dialogue, discussion, and debate. So dialogue, think of dialogue like in a play. Dialogue is pre-scripted. We all know what's going to happen. There's back and forth. It's very predictable. In fact, it's almost 100% predictable. It's useful, you need it, but it can only take you so far. So think of classic dialogue would be, welcome everyone to our meeting. Glad you're all here. Here are the objectives for the day. This is absolutely expected and it's needed. Next is discussion. So now we're going into more unscripted territory. We're sharing our perspectives, we're sharing our thoughts. It's getting warm in the room because people are really putting their ideas on the table. And something unexpected comes and someone reacts to it in an unexpected way. And we're really having a discussion. Things are emerging that none of us predicted. This is fantastic. Now, unfortunately, this is about as warm as it gets for most meetings. They don't go to the third D, which is debate. So if you've structured your meeting well and you facilitate it well, debate will emerge. These moments where it's like, oh, do we go with option A or option B? Or it sounds like we have two very strong opinions on this topic. Real moments of genuine debate. And now we want to turn the heat way up and people are really going for it. So it's like, it's a heated discussion and people are putting their full thoughts on the table. And you feel like it's almost getting combative. It's still respectful, but you really feel like people are putting it all out there. These are the moments your team will never forget. And you'll be able to trust that the ideas being debated got their proper due. It's like when you're making a sword, right? You need to pound that steel in order to make it as hard and sound as possible. So where do we go from here? Well, we titrate back down. We now step back down the way we came up. So now we return back to discussion. Wow, we've had some fantastic debate here. Thank you, everyone. Here's where this might be going, and let's discuss what the next steps should be, and let's make sure that we all leave here knowing what's going to happen next. So we kind of lower the temperature again into the warm zone, and then we close out with dialogue. Thank you all for coming. Really appreciate you being here. Have a safe trip home. So this ladder shape from short dialogue to open the meeting, quite a good chunk of discussion to get things warmed up and to really raise the issues that are important. Debate, it's the top of the pyramid and it's fiery and it's hot. And then step down, back into discussion. Okay, we're all feeling good again. No one got their feelings hurt. And then a very short dialogue to close us out. Use that structure for your next meeting and let me know what happens. I'd love to hear. Looking forward to seeing you for the next mental model.